Hello, Fidelity National Financial leaders, sales executives. I am so excited. I'm here with my rock star, Miss Chelsea Pites. We are putting on the first ever SoCon, the social media connective event of the day. We're going to have over $450 million of real estate production. We're going to have Travis Tom there, who manages over $10 million of social media advertising for his group. He's going to be giving us 5 actual ads our attendees can take right now and use today that are getting the best outcomes. We're also going to have, I can't wait to have our speaker, Jim Keenan, talk about Mr. Keenan a little bit.
Keenan is a legend in the social selling world, one of the first people to write the book, Not Taught, about how to take traditional sales and incorporate social activities for business outcomes. We're really thrilled to have him.
It's a fantastic way to see what is working right now. It is the absolute social media event of the year, and it's going to be at?
It's in the Mandalay Bay in Las Vegas, October 24th. We cannot wait to see you there.
Talk about what they get to take home with them, because every attendee is going to take home.
This is the best part, in my opinion. You are going to get the templates, the ads, the copy, the checklist, the guides, the how-tos, so that when you hear every speaker on stage, you can actually go home and implement step by step everything they talked about.
You're going to leave with a proprietary link of stuff you can go home and actually start using today to make money. Now, here's the best part. We're doing this so that our Fidelity National Financial sales executives and sales leaders, you're the only people that can invite people to this event. There are only 250 tickets. It will sell out in a day or two. We're getting this to you now. Please do me a favor. Folks that you would like to have get a competitive advantage in the social media space, take this video. You'll see the link along the bottom where they can go sign up. They can sign up there. Literally, they've got 48 hours from the time you send this out, because this is our chance to have our partners and our potential partners get this huge competitive advantage in the social media space. Chelsea, anything you want to add?
It's going to be a really great, not high-level conceptual. It's about how-tos. It's about how to implement, how to execute from the world's leaders in the real estate marketing space.
And by the way, we're going to be there. I'm emceeing and she's speaking because she is better at that than me. So fantastic. See you all there. Can't wait.